payroll related journal entries. We have RNG company has one employee, and the company is subject to the following taxes. So they tell you that we've got FICA at 6.2 on the first 102%, $102,000. Medicare 1.45 on all gross pay. There's no limit there. FUTA 0.8% on first 7,000, and SUTA 2.9% on the first 7,000. This employee has gross pay through August of $6,500. Looks like gross pay for September is $1,000. Year-to-date pay is $7,500. So you can see that on FUTA and SUTA, looks like we're going to have part of that. Looks like maybe half of that will be taxable. Salary expense and related payroll liabilities for this employee. Employee's federal income taxes withheld by the employer are $155 for this pay period. So to record this salary, we're going to do the following. We're going to record the September salary, which is $1,000, so we'll debit salary expense for $1,000. We will credit FICA taxes payable for $62, and that's based on $1,000 times 6.2%. We will also record employee, EE stands for employee, federal taxes payable of $155. That's from this withholding information we got up here. What else? That was given to us. The Medicare taxes payable will be $14.50. That's a payable and a credit, and that's based on 1,000 times 1.45%. And let's see what else we got here. We've got a credit to salaries payable for the 1,000 minus all of these taxes payable. Now, sometimes you see payroll entries where you have a debit to salary expense and a credit to all these these income tax, these type taxes payable for payroll, and a credit to cash. But in this case, we're going to credit salaries payable for $768.50, and that's our entry to record the employee portion of this. Let's see what else we got here. The employer portion of this, which is part 2, is we're going to have the same FICA taxes payable, $62. This is for the employer's entry. That's the employee's entry. This is the employer's share of these payroll taxes. So a credit to FICA taxes payable for $62 for the employer, based on what we just said a minute ago. There's the Medicare taxes payable, which is $14.50, again based on $1,000 times 1.45%. We also have the FUTA taxes payable, and we said that the FUTA tax for the employer was going to be on the first 7,000, and they went over that by $500, so only $500 of this gross pay will be taxable for FUTA purposes. That's $4, which the calculation is $500 times 0.8%, which is $4. Same thing for the SUTA. The SUTA is based on the first 7,000. This employer went over that by $500, so $500 times 2.9% will be the SUTA taxes payable. And all these pieces, the FICA, Medicare, FUTA, SUTA, you'll add all those up, and you will debit payroll tax expense, which is what the employer's share of this is. So this is a two-part entry. This is very common in the real world. This is for the employee. This is what the employer's share of those taxes are, and you're finished.